Good morning and welcome to What's in the Shop. If you are a technician or maybe a shop owner that is watching this, if you're somebody that works in this industry and you are sick of being a technician or you are sick of owning your own shop, please email me, josh@blackoutempire.com. Let's have a conversation. We are looking to expand across the country and I would love to talk to you. To my left is a BMW. Jimmy is currently doing a ceramic coating on. See him about to pull the wheels. Every coating that we do gets a wheels off package. We remove the wheels, coat the inside barrel, brake calipers. In the wash bay is another BMW. This is an M850i, straight from the dealership for a stealth wrap. In front of that is a Tesla. We love our Teslas. Always a Tesla somewhere. I don't know if we do more Corvettes or more Teslas. It's probably a close call. This one's getting a ceramic coating as well. And outside, we've got a Jeep Gladiator. This is getting some miscellaneous PPF. It's like a partial front end, the grille pieces, some various things on that. And the one beside it over there is a RAV4. It's also getting some miscellaneous PPF. That was here from a collision center. In the tint bay, we've got a Mercedes CLE. This one's here for a full XR Plus ceramic tint job. Terrell and Gavin are working on that. Beautiful car. And outside, we have a Ram work truck that somebody is interested in protecting. We love to see that. They got a partial hood installed on that PPF. The GMC and the Subaru are both here for ceramic coatings. And a Corvette C8. This car previously had some paint protection film installed by somebody else. We did some other paint protection film. The customer decided to remove the film installed by somebody else and then have us reinstall some new film. So I'm not exactly sure what parts of the car. I think maybe that might be a full wrap, but we're doing some PPF on that one. Then we've got a 70s Ford. This one was here for window tint. If you're a window tinter, you know these are not the easiest things to tint, and that's an understatement. Very challenging. And this Super Duty has some PPF on it, and the owner decided he really would like to get the rest of it done. Saw the value in PPF and said, let's do the rest of this thing. So that's what it's here for. And the King Ranch Super Duty also here for a ceramic coating next to the Mazda that got PPF on the front end and then also a coating. We broke our record in May for our best month ever. We're gonna try to do it again in June. Let's see what's happening at the other stores.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up front, we have a couple completed vehicles here. First up is this Honda Civic Type R. This got some paint protection film in our track package areas. And we also tinted all the side windows and back window in our Prime XR window tint. Behind the Type R is a Nissan Frontier. This got the two front windows 20% to match the factory tint. And we got a full paint correction on this vehicle, along with a 4-year ceramic coating. Next in line for some paint protection film and ceramic coating is this BMW M4 from BMW of Swickley. This is getting our track package, along with a full paint correction and 8-year ceramic coating. Next to the M4, we have an insurance job here on the Chevy Silverado. This was involved in an accident, and we had to polish and recoat the entire bedside and the rear wheel. Thankfully, most insurance policies do cover the cost to get PPF and ceramic coating reapplied, so none of this was out of pocket for the customer. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this 2025 Ford F-150. This was in the shop a few months back for window tint on the two front windows. This customer was so happy with the work, he came back in for a full paint correction and an 8-year ceramic coating. In the tint bay, we got Cole and Andrew working on a pretty unique vehicle here. We have a 2014 Jetta Sport Wagon. This is getting our Prime XR tint on all the side windows and the back window. Back in the PPF bay, we got the PPF guys working on a full wrap on this Bronco Raptor. This is getting a full 8mm paint protection film wrap. Once these guys wrap it up later on today, Mark will get his hands on it for a full 4-year ceramic coating.
What's going on, everybody? It's Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Washington shop. In our ceramic bay, we do have this Bronco Sport. This is a 26. Cam over here, he is doing a 4-year coating on just the paint only with a paint correction and a polish. Over here, we have a 26 Ram RHO. This customer went with a full 10mm wrap on all painted surfaces. It will be going over to Cam for an 8-year coating and also getting the two front windows to match factory tint. In the tint bay, we have this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This customer opted for our CS 5% on all side windows and back glass, and then a 5% visor on the front windshield.
Also in our ceramic bay, we have this 2026 GMC 2500. This customer opted for an 8-year ceramic coating. In the PPF bay, we have Max doing his thing on this 2023 Chevy Corvette. This customer opted for the full front package and the A-pillar and roof. In our tint bay, we have Zach doing this 2026 Chevy 2500. This customer is getting our XR ceramic tint on all the side windows and back glass, and then a 5% visor on the windshield.